All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So emerge, emerge. To come forth from something. I will emerge from the jungle. I will emerge from my office and go to the gym. Yeah, I will leave the office. I come from the office. He emerged from the cave. She wants to emerge from the house. Yeah, they emerged together from the forest. I came out of the jungle. Oh, okay, right. I came out of the jungle and emerged victorious. Emerged as a winner. Emerged as a winner. How cool is that? Came out as a winner, yeah. It will emerge tonight in its own time. They knew how to make it emerge suddenly from the cave, for example, the animal, for example. We are emerging from our adventure across Scotland. So we've gone across Scotland and we're coming back from it. We are emerging from Scotland. I came from Scotland. I emerged from there. Yes. Yeah, how cool is that? Very good. Humans emerged from Africa. Okay. Where else could have humans emerged from? Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah. I'm emerging from the office now. Yeah. I'll be emerging from the house later on today. I will emerge from the house later on today. How cool is that? When do you think they'll emerge from their meeting? They have been in there for a while. When will they emerge? They've been in there for a while. When are they going to emerge? When? When are they going to come out? When are they going to come out? I'm not sure. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. To come forth from something. Yeah. Emerge. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use emerge in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.